I'm going to apologize in advance. You may hear some clicks, you may hear some dings. I have my live squawk on at the moment, which is a feed to pieces of market news as they are released. So you may hear my live squawk on in the background. You may hear just the sounds of actual live trading. A brief history. Briefly. For those of you who are not aware, I am Dan. I went by Aileron Trading for many years on the old YouTube and interwebs. I am a trader. I'm a real one. I don't just play one on YouTube with one of these. Yeah, I'm not even going to go near that now, but I can guarantee you we'll probably go near it in the future. I've had this channel for a long time. I built it up to millions of views and tens of thousands of subscribers. Goodness, I think that started in 2007, I want to say. I left for a number of years to pursue institutional efforts. I think I've mentioned that before, which honestly I'm still in the middle of. I've entered a different corporate structure. And now that I'm in that different corporate structure, well, I can sort of be on the YouTubes again, the YouTube channel. And what's nice is that after 8 years of nuking what I had for content, just completely zapped it. I didn't take it private, or I did not take it private and I did not unlist it. I nuked it. And having no content for something like 8 years, I still have something like 8,300 subscribers. So you folks who have held on, first of all, thank you. And we hope to build it back here. All right, here. That's a good question. What are we doing here? We traders are a funny lot. I think here on this channel, nothing too specific as to trades. If you want that, one of our companies that I'm a partner in, one of the many companies I'm in because I'm psychotic, and I'm senior or junior partner in a number of companies, is GTC Traders. So you can find that on YouTube. It has its own website. GTC Traders is in a subsidiary company that's in a family of companies. So GTC Traders has more of the specific thoughts on markets and things like that, far more professionally than I did before. It's going to take some time, right? Because I've always said you need about 3 to 5 years to evaluate performance. So, but we're starting to do, as a professional would do it, right? A grid. You're going to see a grid be built. I still have, God, I'm in the middle of so many things because I'm sort of a psycho. But, I've got the grid started, but since I run multi-strat, I've got to do a grid on the equity longer term value hybrid model I run, the valuation model I run, and the discretionary trading that I run. I have to do separate grids. Right now I'm just doing a conglomerate grid for all of the models that we run in multi-strat. But I'm doing that, and there'll be the stats, and there'll be all of that. That's getting built, right? But that's GTC Traders. So again, we ask, what's this? Right?
Clears KKR's bid for Telecom Italia's landline network.
Okay, sorry about that. Nothing as detailed as Patrik Boyle, but something along those lines, which, by the way, I think Patrik Boyle is great. It's fantastic, as a matter of fact. I love his dry sense of humor, and that's beyond awesome. I like his specifics, but maybe what Patrik Boyle does is a little too specific. But at the same time, dispel a lot of the nonsense that is out there, right? And keep it about finance, keep it about trading, but keep it more informal. I've been doing this for close to 30 years now. And as I was saying, we traders, we're a funny lot. We really are. For many years, I would help ones who wanted to be a trader. I don't think I can turn anybody into a trader. That's not possible. I've always said that each individual has to turn themselves into a trader. So what I would always do, and GTC Traders does to this day, is allow ones to look over my shoulder as to the way we approach things and then answer questions that come up as ones look over the shoulder, right? So I did that. If you want to call that training or whatever. But I trained a lot, who thought maybe I want to be a trader. So I would let them look over our shoulders. Now we have GTC Traders for that. Some of those folks decided, you know what, I don't want to trade for a living. But even after they made that decision, what we discovered is they did still want to know my thoughts. thus this channel, right? They would say things like, well, hey, I know a trader. I know that Dan guy. I'm going to ask him that question. So that's what this channel is going to be. More, you know a trader. And you can find out the thoughts of a trader on more general concepts or things that are in the news. And it's just my thoughts, right? I'm not bound in this channel by the thoughts of GTC traders, because this is just me. This is not GTC traders, and this is not that corporate family. So I can sort of be a little bit free with what Dan is thinking. And thus this channel, you know a trader. Some personal stuff may be in here, because we traders are a funny lot, and I've learned that people like to see sort of our weird approach to life. Some thoughts on how we personally approach finance. Some trading, like I said, nothing too specific. You'll see me mention things, but nothing too specific. That's GTC Traders. I have a separate private proprietary firm of which I'm the principal senior partner, but nothing like that. This is more about my thoughts and a channel where you can say, hey, I know a guy who's a trader. I wonder what he thinks about XYZ. So welcome. Welcome to You Know a Trader. All of this will be my thoughts, not yours, for whatever the heck day it is as we finish these entries up. And as always, stay safe and trade well.